Hi, I'm Carla. I'll be teaching you how to create your own Christmas gift wrapper using watercolor and metallic pens. Dip your flat brush on water, then select a color from your watercolor set. Using your brush, first draw a rectangular shape that will be the top of the box. Then under the rectangle, draw a box and connect it to the rectangle. Fill the box part with watercolor. Now you have the shape of your gift. Feel free to make different sizes of your gift box. You can make them bigger, smaller, or more rectangular or square in shape. Once the boxes are dry, we will be drawing a ribbon on top of them. Using your brush, draw 2 loops at the top of the box like a butterfly bow. Draw the ribbon ends tying the box together. Next, add a horizontal line across the box and a vertical line down the middle like a plus sign. Next, we will add some polka dots on the paper. Draw small circles or ovals all over the box. Make sure they're spaced evenly. This will add a little whimsical fun to your gift wrapper. Now wait for your DIY gift wrapper to dry. Using the metallic pens, add small details to the gift boxes. Draw horizontal, vertical, or slanted lines to your gift box. Leave the ribbons plain so it stands out. With the DIY Christmas gift wrapper done, your special gift is now ready to be given to your loved one. Happy holidays!